Butter and margarine are both spreads used in cooking and baking, but they are made differently and have different properties. Butter is made by churning cream or milk until the fat separates from the liquid. The resulting butter is usually solid at room temperature and has a rich, creamy flavor. It is high in saturated fat, but also contains some nutrients like vitamins A and D. Please consider to subscribe to reach 1K subscribers. Margarine, on the other hand, is made from vegetable oils that have been hydrogenated to make them solid at room temperature. This process creates trans fats, which are considered unhealthy and can increase the risk of heart disease. However, many margarines have been reformulated to remove trans fats. Margarine is often used as a lower-cost alternative to butter, and is often marketed as a healthier option because it is lower in saturated fat. In terms of taste and texture, butter is usually preferred for its rich flavor and creamy texture, while margarine is often used as a more neutral-tasting alternative to butter. However, there are many varieties of both butter and margarine available, so it's important to read labels and choose the one that best fits your needs and preferences. Hit like, share, and please consider to subscribe to reach 1K subscribers.